What is going on in the loop, fans? It's Drew here at Kennywood. You can see Steel Curtain in the background, panning over here to Phantom's Revenge and some other sites of Kennywood. We got some footage here. Let's check it out. Obviously, Steel Curtain is much higher than it used to be. You can see a lot of the support structure there for the lift and the first drop. Definitely exciting there on this nice cold day in Pittsburgh. Now we've got the structure for Steelers Country, their indoor section, as well as some bobcats moving here in the snow. It's really exciting to see quite how much work is going on to this coaster still, even though it's snowy. Cold day. There's a guy up in the crane there working on something. Alright, that'll do it for this Kennywood update. This has been Drew. You can follow me on Twitter at DrewTheIntern. Follow us all on Facebook, facebook.com/InTheLoopPodcast. Make sure you like, subscribe, and do all that great stuff. You can listen to our actual podcast. We're going to talk about all the great things coming this year to theme parks near you, and we will see you on the Midway.